Assalamu alaikum. My name is Javeria Bibi with roll number 1041. Today I will discuss about biosynthesis of phenolics. फेनोलिक्स को हम तैयार कैसे करते हैं। सबसे पहले इसका इंट्रोडक्शन देखते हैं। फेनोलिक्स होते क्या हैं। फेनोलिक्स बेसिकली आर एरोमेटिक स्ट्रक्चर्स अटैच विद हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप. These are the secondary metabolites widely spread throughout the plant kingdom with around 800 different phenolic structures. Phenolics are the most abundant secondary metabolites. The biosynthesis of secondary metabolites is a complex process that involves the production and modification of various compounds. It begins with the synthesis of precursor molecule, which are the modified by enzyme to produce the final product. Then explain the functions of phenolics. Phenolics कहाँ कहाँ क्या क्या रोल प्ले करते हैं। Phenolics provide defense against ultraviolet radiation, also act as a defense compound against herbivores and pathogens. In defense mechanism, it involves the rapid accumulation at the site of infection. Some of the phenolics provide mechanical support to plants, also help in attraction of pollinators and fruit dispersers. These are help in reducing the growth of nearby competing plants for their proper nourishment. Phenolics are the contribute in plant colors.
Assalamu alaikum, myself Mohammad Zishan, roll number 1009. Shikmic acid pathway. Shikmic acid is an important metabolic intermediate in plant bacteria and fungi. It is the starting material for the biosynthesis of aromatic compounds such as phenylalanine, tyrosine, and tryptophan. The shikmic acid is a biochemical pathway used to synthesize these compounds. The shikmic acid pathway consists of 8 steps starting with the conversion of shikmic acid to 5-enol pyrovyl shikmate 3-phosphate EPSP. This is followed by the conversion of EPSP to corsimate, which is then converted to prephenate. The prephenate is then converted to the phenyl pyruvate, which is then converted to phenylalanine, tyrosine, and tryptophan. These compounds are then used to create essential metabolites such as amino acids and other biomolecules. The shikmic acid pathway is catalyzed by a series of enzymes. The first enzyme involved is phosphoenol pyruvate carboxykinase PEPCK, which catalyzes the condensation of PEP and E4P to form S3P. The second enzyme is DAH7PS, which catalyzes the formation of corsimate to S3P. The next enzyme is corsimate mutase, which catalyzes the conversion of corsimate to prephenate. The final step of pathway is the conversion of prephenate to phenylalanine, tyrosine, and tryptophan, which are essential amino acids. Next is phenylpropanide pathway. The phenylpropanide pathway is a biochemical pathway that is responsible for the biosynthesis of a variety of compounds. These compounds include flavonoids, lignins, and other phenolic compounds. This pathway is essential for production of these compounds as well as the regulation of secondary metabolism. The pathway starts with the condensation of phenylalanine and 4-coumarate CoA to form p-coumaryl CoA. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme phenylalanine ammoniolase PL. From this point, the pathway continues with the formation of cinnamic acid, which is then converted to cinnamyl CoA by cinnamyl CoA synthase. From cinnamyl CoA, the pathway continues with the formation of several compounds including furylate, conifurylaldehyde, and coumarin.
Assalamu alaikum class. Here's Virya Yusuf. My roll number is 1040. The, Today I will discuss about enzymes regulation in phenolics. In shikmic pathway, shikimate kinase is responsible for the conversion of shikmic acid to 5-enol pyrovyl shikimate 3-phosphate. This enzyme is essential for synthesis of aromatic compound as it is rate limiting step in shikmic acid pathway. In phenolic propanoid pathway, phenylalanine ammoniolase is responsible for the conversion of phenylalanine to cinnamic acid. This enzyme is essential for the synthesis of phenolic compound as it rate limiting step in phenyl propanoid pathway. Then I will discuss about the conclusion. Biosynthesis of phenolics is important process in plants. बायोसेंसिस फिनोलिक्स की बायोसेंसिस जो होती है ना प्लांट्स में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोसेस है इन्वॉल्विंग द कन्वर्जन ऑफ सिंपल प्रिकर्सर्स इनटू मोर कम्प्लेक्स मॉलिक्यूल्स द शिकमिक एसिड pathway and phenyl propanoid pathway are both important pathway for biosynthesis of phenolics मीन इन दो pathways के बगैर phenolics की biosynthesis नहीं हो सकती so they are very important. Phenolics are important compounds in plants, playing a role in defense against pathogen, pollinator attraction, and other processes. They are also used in production of food, medicine, and other products. Thank you.